guys want to see the sunset today, boys, I'm going there. Oh, I see you. Purpose-built Harley like mine. Except I ride mine not like a pussy. I'm just talking shit. I don't know how he rides. He just got a lady on the back. He might be pussyfooting it so he doesn't scare her, but at the same point, you got a purpose-built bagger, bro. Fucking run that shit, you know what I mean? I just started recording here a minute or two ago. Wave? Whatever, Mike. I don't know if his name was actually Mike or not, though, so... I just say that because it's on a bagger and it's like a mic. Curious. Hell yeah. Let this BMW go. Watch him go straight. Oh my god, something smells like garbage. Ugh. Back there, not me, we're good. Shoo! There we go. That's what I came out here for. Is that another CBR? It is. Hey, it's the orange one from near me. Hell yeah. BMW is so goddamn static, he's got to avoid potholes. I feel that, bro, I feel that. Come on, no sand, no sand. Oh, we might get lucky today. Oh, rest in peace running in the sand, though. Wouldn't be me, I barely walk in the sand, although I fucking run. Oh, nice turn signal, guy. Yeah, I will not be going in that parking lot. Oh, hallelujah, Lord. I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to do a quick wrap around. So I don't really feel like getting off and paying for parking because I made us all fucking pay to park now instead of it being free. But you know, my tax dollars don't go to you, so they got to use us park to pay for things, you know. So I call bullshit, but we're not allowed to have money anywhere in this goddamn free country. There's a nice something behind me. I don't know what it is. It looks sporty. However, if you want my attention, that slammed on air ride with some low pros, a nice LS, a little bit of boost and some stereo. Oh, yeah. It's a fucking Firebird. Hell yeah, bro. gonna go all the way that way, but there's not really shit that way for the sunset, so I'm gonna come this way. Risk my life in these potholes and all the gravel, just for y'all to see the sunset a little bit better. I'll try to get over there before it actually goes down and before my camera dies. No promises. This might be all you get for today, because I am not waiting around. Like I said, just pay to park over here. I ain't paying shit, and I'm not gonna cop a ticket for not paying shit, you know. So I am stuck in the mid-2000s when it was free to come over here, and the only thing you had to pay for was when you actually went to the fucking diner bar thing over here. I'll go up a gear out of courtesy. Only because I have a dog, though. Fuck him. This guy's backing in. I don't know why. Unless he's... Phew! It's a nice-ass car. This is where all the rich folks come. And you're at Muskegon motherfucking beach for them sunrise pictures, brother. Cause you know, ain't nowhere else got a beach. Except the entire fucking west coast of Michigan. East coast, I don't know, I've never been to the East Coast. I want to go to Detroit one of these days though, just to tear shit up. If I ever go to Detroit, that's going to be a license plate off kind of an outing. Not that I don't trust people, but I don't trust people. Sorry, I don't trust the law enforcement. How about that? The people that we put in place to police us, I don't trust for shit. They ran over that. Why? You had all that room and you still ran it over. Yeah, that's the sunset on this side. I'm gonna haul ass over there. I'm gonna shut the camera down though. So, if I don't get over there, you're gonna get a random POV shot of me riding in the dark with my underglow on. If I do make it over there in time, you'll see a part 2, like right now. Which battery we got? Oh, my fucking camera fell off. Son of a bitch.